I am TravisInfo, and what if I told you that potassium nitrate, a key element in gunpowder, came from decayed feces? After compiling the information from my research, I want to discuss about the history of gunpowder, starting with its first discoveries, its primitive implications, as well as its modern implications today. So let's start from the beginning. But before we do that, what exactly is gunpowder? Gunpowder is made up of three elements: sulfur, charcoal, and potassium nitrate. You can't just take a handful of sulfur, a handful of charcoal, a handful of potassium nitrate, throw it together and have gunpowder. It requires a ratio in order to do that, which is about 2 parts sulfur, 3 parts charcoal, and 14 parts potassium nitrate. Now let's start with the discoveries. In about 142 AD is about the supposed discovery of gunpowder. It was from a Chinese alchemist looking for the discovery of immortality, ironically enough, whose name was Wei Bo Yan. In about 300 AD was the factual, written down evidence of gunpowder. In a 2016 article over the history of gunpowder, Karen Carr, a Portland State University professor, states, by 300 AD, a Qin dynasty scientist named Ge Hong, which is him, had certainly written down the ingredients of gunpowder and described the explosion. Now let's move into its first implications. In about 700 AD, they started using gunpowder in firework displays for events, as well as the inauguration of emperors. And in about 904 AD, that's when it was started used in baboon tubes to sort of launch small stones like a cannon does today. That's one of the tubes that they would use. And moving on into the modern implications. In the book Warfare in Middle India by Ikadar Khan, he shows how firearms aided in the process of centralization. And that is one of the implications that gunpowder is used in. In a review by Timothy Mayo of the book, he states how Khan's work shows the impact firearms had on the society at the time, and that guns were a symbol of power, and that if you had a gun, you had power. It was also used in cannons, and it's also used in many explosive devices such as dynamite, frag grenades, and as well as small caliber bullets, as well in guns today. To recap, I discussed the first discoveries of gunpowder, as well as the primitive implications and the modern implications today. So now if somebody asks you what the secret to everlasting life is, you can tell them that it's gunpowder. Thank you.